Ryan here for Silly Reviews. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly, easily, no tools required, add Bluetooth to your car, your truck, your SUV, your minivan, your school bus, any of those vehicles and more that may not be equipped with a factory radio that has the Bluetooth feature. It's fun to stream your music, take your phone calls hand-free the safe way. We're going to get into that. A little extra information. This is a 5th generation Volkswagen Jetta. Ran into a huge problem with this Jetta. Took a long time to figure out, but I started getting worried because my car started shifting hard, violently. What happened was the radio display on this vehicle had failed. I thought that just meant the screen went away. No big deal. Radio still worked. Fine, I dealt with it. Well, then my battery started dying all the time. Couldn't figure it out. Some type of parasitic drain. Then my car started shifting so hard, and I finally found out, thanks to a mechanic, that low battery voltage can lead to the solenoids in the transmission not receiving the information that they need, or the power, and it shifts crazy hard. So anyway, pretty excited, got that figured out. Car's running like new. Anyway, so we want to add Bluetooth to this car, but maybe you're not mechanically handy. Maybe you're not mechanically savvy. Don't worry about it. I'm going to show you how to get Bluetooth in your car. You don't even need a single tool for this. It's your buddy Ryan for Silly Reviews looking out for you, okay? So, first thing you need to do is you're going to need to open your car. You're going to need to get in there. So let's go ahead. Let's get in this 5th generation Jetta here, and then get to the meat and the potatoes of this video. I'm going to show you how to add that Bluetooth. No tools required. I don't think there's a better video on YouTube to show you how to do this. And you can thank me with a comment, a like, a subscribe. Let's go ahead. Let's get in there. Just going to pop it open. Boop, pop. Going to get in here. Now pay attention closely, okay? Going to add that Bluetooth feature to this factory radio. This radio doesn't even have a fuse pushed in right now to power it. Don't need one. Put your Bluetooth speaker in a convenient location. I have a perfect location here. Go ahead and turn it on. There it is. Good to go. Bluetooth. Stream your music. Hands-free listening. Gotta love it. My name's Ryan for Silly Reviews. Kids call the cops, kids call the cops, cause I let my weenie flop at the bus stop, cops are like, brr, brr. Here come the cops at the bus stop, cops are like